over the suspension bridge. Higher on the outer line we have the West Coast Highlander, which is a pug loco which has a log galley. I think that's a 6-plank wagon, followed by a DJS petroleum tank, followed by, again that's another 6-plank wagon, followed by a covered brake van. And then on the inner line we have the Highland Rambler. Again that's just a very simple 6-plank wagon, followed by a small blue 4-wheeled carriage. Going over the suspension bridge. Both locos going around JJ's corner slope through the tunnel there, over the suspension bridge. Oh, bit of a crash, fix that quickly. Oh, let's fix that before we have another crash. Around JJ's corner slope. Down JJ's corner slope through the tunnel, past the station, over the suspension bridge. Up JJ's corner slope. Through the tunnel. Past the little sheep. around Jojo's Corner slope, through the tunnel, past the station. My little siding area, got the mallards. Got the Rovex double O gauge model electric train there. Just a quick video just to show my two 040 Highland Locos. One's looking now at the Highland Rambler, and that one's the West Coast Highlander. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.